Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing a fresh connection. Restart the phone, then toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a new network handshake. While it reboots, inspect and reset the SIM. Poor contact causes slow data. Make sure carrier settings and OS are up to date. Those updates tune radio behavior. Also close or pause background sync and heavy apps, because once those stop hogging bandwidth, you'll see the immediate improvement you want. Next, change how your phone connects. You can switch network mode between LTE and 3G to see which gives steadier throughput. Sometimes LTE is congested, while 3G is smoother. Manually select your carrier's network to avoid weak roaming partners, and reset the APN to carrier default so settings match the provider. If indoors, enable Wi-Fi calling or move near a window. Physical location matters. To finish, perform a network settings reset. This clears corrupt APN or DHCP issues and often restores normal speeds. After reset, run a speed test so you have numbers to report. If results stay poor, swap the SIM into another phone to isolate device versus account problems, and then contact your carrier to check provisioning or local tower issues. If nothing else works, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure the carrier is involved before you take that step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.